Hey beauties! Ooh, my voice cracked. Hey beauties! Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back, boo. Let's get started. Okay beauties, so this is my first time doing clip-ins. This is my first time doing clip-ins. And one of my little babies who I met in college, she put me on to this OUTRE Big Beautiful Hair Clip-Ins. They come with 9 clip-ins, as you can see. And then it comes with the different width lengths and things. So I got the 4A Kinky Curly. I'm looking at this pack. This is not 4A. This is looking like a 3B, 3C. So yeah, but it is what it is. I'm gonna make it work. I did a little twist down, twist out, and then it has instructions on the bike. And it gives you some blending tips. It gives you some feature tips. It says 100% human hair premium blend, which means it is probably synthetic mixed in with human hair, but that's fine. This is an affordable hairstyle for almost anyone. You can pick this up at your local beauty supply. I ordered this from off of Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box. And anyway, let's just get right to the video. Okay, this color is pretty. I like it. It's like an ombre, brown ombre. The reason why I got this color is because my natural hair is brown. It's not quite this light, but it is lighter than the black, which is not what I wanted. And the ends of my hair is about this color, but my hair doesn't reach quite that length. But it's fine. I can make it work anyway. Y'all, this is my first time doing clip-ins. I'm super nervous because, of course, I want it to be cute. So, who wouldn't be nervous? Okay, so let me show you all what is up under this bonnet. So, I did attempt to kind of plait my hair down in some type of way, and I did take some bobby pins and I pinned my hang time up to make it pretty much as flat as possible. I'm not a braider by any means, so I just did what I could do. I've seen people, you know, mixing it with their own hair. I've also seen people just have a bunch of like just big twists down in their hair and they just kind of pin them down, and so their natural hair was out to here and the clip-in still looked good. So I'm not worried at all with what I got going on. Now I will say I want some versatility, so I did have some hair out so I could do a middle part and also some hair out so I could do a side part. Here are the clip-ins. Super easy, super duper easy. Boom and boom. Okay, so this is going to be easy. Like I said, I'm a little nervous, but whatever. Beauties, don't forget to open the clips before you try to install this, because I'm being a goofy and I didn't, and yeah. So that's the first one. Okay.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna keep...
They gave me a track that was cut in half and the clips were taken off. See now, and I was excited, but now I'm just kind of like, I probably wouldn't recommend this brand. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna keep going and just, I don't know, see if I can figure out what to do with this. So that's disappointing.
Right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, if you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind.
It's a little flat, that's because I don't. Okay, beauties, so I ended up taking my leave out on the top of my head and I blended it with the clip-ins. You will see how it is turning out in the next clips. Too sure if I'm feeling it or not. And the thing is, I used to kind of wear my hair like this in college. I don't know, I think it's just the experience of installation and like the fact that I was given a cut weft and clips were taken off and stuff. That was just honestly a huge turn off for me. Yeah, it's synthetic. Some human blend. I don't like the smell of it. It smells synthetic. Which is, it is what it is because it's not 100% human hair. It's a human blend. So, I'm not gonna say that's too big of a deal, but the fact that it's on my head and whatnot, it's okay. Like I think I look cute, but I don't know if I'm like feeling it. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see. Yeah, beauties, I'm gonna actually lay my edges some more here and here and around my perimeter, and I will come back later to show you all. But beauties, I love you, I thank you, and I will see you in the next one.